Very good evening. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of this match of the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. It was between the Select Strikers and Durbar Rajshahi. Durbar Rajshahi winning a very crucial match, earning 2 important points and a win by 65 runs. Congratulations to Durbar Rajshahi. Commiserations to the Select Strikers. I'd like to introduce you to our presentation party here today. To my left, Mr. Ranjan Borua, Vice President and Manager of the Agrabad branch of Dutch Bangla Bank. Next to him, Mr. Iftikhar Rahman Mitu, Director of Bangladesh Cricket Board. Alongside him, Mr. Mohammad Shafiq Rahman, franchisee owner of Durbar Rajshahi. And next to him, Mr. Zakir Shikdar, courageous student who was injured during the historic July-August movement for Bangladesh. And as part of the BCB's tribute, we recognize his sacrifice and unwavering spirit. Thank you all for being here with us. Straight away, the award for the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match, an award of 1 lakh taka for his prowess with the ball, goes to Sanzamul Islam. 3 for 25. Sanzamul, if you'd like to come across and collect your Player of the Match, the Dutch Bangla Player of the Match, an award, the check and the crest. And after you accept that, if you'd like to come across, have a few words with me. Sanzamul. অনেক অনেক অভিনন্দন অনেক দিন পরে এই ধরনের পারফরম্যান্স 3 for 25 your best so far কেমন লাগছে
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ অবশ্যই অনেক দিন পরে একটা সুযোগ পেয়েছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমার পারফরম্যান্সে টিমটা জিতেছে এবং আমাদের বয়েজের সবাই খুব ভালো খেলেছে দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমরা ম্যাচটা জিতছি
অবশ্যই এবং বোলিং যখন 100 ওই ধরনের টোটাল থাকে তখন প্ল্যানিং মাইন্ডসেটটা কেমন থাকে কারণ প্রথম দিকে বল করতে আসলে তো নতুন বলে খুব বেশি বাক খাওয়ানো সম্ভব না
না প্ল্যানিং ছিল যে পেস ভেরিয়েশন করা কারণ আমি দেখছি কিছু বল সিমে হিট করলে টান করে সো আমি ওই প্ল্যানে গেছি যে আমাকে উইকেট বের করতে হবে রাদার দেন ইকোনমিকের থেকে সো আমার প্ল্যানে সাকসেস হয়েছে আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ধন্যবাদ তো আল্লাহ ছাড়া আসলে সম্ভব না
অবশ্যই এবং অন্যদিকে ইউনিট পার্টনারশিপস অন্য প্রান্ত থেকে আরেকজন যদি ভালো বল করে সেটা নিজের দায়িত্বটা একটু কমিয়ে দেয়
না অবশ্যই দেখেন বোলিং যখন অবশ্যই বোলিং পার্টনারশিপটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট থাকে আমাদের সবাই ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরিবডি বোলিং রিয়েলি ওয়েল দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমরা ম্যাচটা জিততে পেরেছি
ওয়েল ডান টুডে বেস্ট অফ লাক ফর দ্য ফিউচার
ধন্যবাদ জি
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ Sanzamul Islam they're just saying that he needed bowling partnership and he didn't go for the turns early on when he was bowling with the new ball depending on the seam to do the work for him so well done to him right the captain of Durbar Rajshahi Anamul Haq Bijoy please Bijoy, a very, very important day. You had to sort of win because this is the business end of the tournament and you made quite an emphatic win here.
Definitely, very important match for us and the perfect time our players delivered their best.
Yes, India. Initially, something that might be of concern, the wides that were given away, but you recovered very well in restraining them to less than 200.
Definitely we 15 and 20 runs short when we finish our game batting unit but still our bowling unit must their perfect job they did perfect job for us so definitely it's 20 runs short but our bowlers bowled very well
exactly and you feel 20 runs short but you still win by 65 runs that goes a huge amount of credit to all your bowlers
Definitely. Sanjamul, he's under pressure because of playing only number 3 matches. So he's under pressure. Still, he bowled very, very well and taken man of the match award. And Ataskin exceptionally well in new balls and Zisan and the new bowlers. Aftab, he bowled very well. Mitunjay comes in to him. He bowled very well. So definitely, it's all about the bowling unit today.
But let's go back to your batting innings. You got the runs. Ryan Bull got 41. It's just the last 5 matches, according to our stats man, there haven't been 50s so far. Is that some concern for you?
Yes, it's a concerned things, but yeah, those batsmen are batted up well, like 30, 40. They have to bat at like 70, 80s. I hope they will step up and play according to situation, according to the wickets, and they're playing the good cricket and long run.
Well, you're doing well in Chittagong. Very, very good luck to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Right, Anamul Haq Bijoy, the skipper there of the winning team, and that is all from down here.
Yeah, it's going to be a cracking of a match between the unbeaten Rangpur Riders and also Chittagong Kings. Now they have 4 wins on the trot. So don't leave anywhere. Come back, because up next is Rangpur Riders versus Chittagong Kings at 6:45 p.m. live from here. See you then.